Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. So guys, in the last 24 hours, there has been a lot of confusion about Accenture hiring. Okay, I am making this video today on 3rd of December and this is the latest update that I will be giving you till now. Okay, so some students are saying that okay, Accenture hiring is cancelled. Some students have received interview slot selection mails today only. Some students have received communication mail today only. So many of you are confused that sir, we were supposed to have the Accenture hiring in our campuses in this coming December. So is it cancelled or what is the status? Okay, do not panic. I would just say to you, do not panic. Make sure that you're watching this video till the end. Most of your doubts will be cleared. Okay, but still, if any of the doubts is still there, you can always write in the comment section. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Okay, before moving ahead, do hit that like and subscribe button for this channel because we continuously make such videos for different updates for different companies, whether they are interview experiences, whether they are coding questions. We have discussed all those things on this channel. You can join this Telegram group also. This is a dedicated Telegram group for 2025 batch students. Okay, so now let's start the video and let's just see your doubts one by one. Okay, so now let's start it. Okay, so guys, first of all, let's talk about is Accenture hiring cancelled for all? So guys, see, you can see this screenshot. This screenshot has been circulating a lot in some Telegram groups also and in some YouTube videos also. So answer is yes. See, for some colleges have received this type of messages either from their TPO or they have got the straight away rejection mails from Accenture only. So the answer is that some colleges Accenture hiring has been cancelled and Accenture has communicated this to TPOs and TPOs have communicated this to the respective students. Okay, so but this thing all we have to also know that this is only for some colleges. I'm not saying that for all the colleges it is cancelled, but some colleges, those who have got the update, they have given these type of messages to the students. Okay, okay, so if you have got this type of update from your college, then yes, you can assume that Accenture hiring is cancelled for your particular college. Now, on the other hand, what has happened today? See, you have proceeded to the final stage. This type of mail also some students have got, and that is today only, that is on 3rd December. Okay, so if you can see that some students have got the slot selection interview mail, that is they have done their assessment. Now they are at the interview stage and now they are getting the mails for selecting the slots for the interview. So for these type of students, okay, the Accenture hiring is not cancelled. If you have not got any updates from the college, then don't assume yourself that the Accenture hiring is cancelled for your college. Some colleges have straight away said that okay, we are not conducting this hiring and they have given the messages. But if the Accenture hiring was already ongoing in your campuses and if you have not got any update of cancellation or any further process, don't just assume that it's cancelled for you by just seeing some YouTube videos or going to the Telegram. It is only increasing your confusion only. Okay, so just wait for either the communication from Accenture or from your college. But I have shown you this mail. This mail some students have received today only for selecting the interview slots. So you can see here. So in their colleges, Accenture hiring was ongoing and no such cancellation has been communicated to them. So hiring is ongoing for their colleges. Okay, you can see here for final stage interview slots we are booking. So by this, we can just understand that for some colleges, Accenture hiring is cancelled. For some colleges, it is still ongoing. And if you have not received any updates either from your college or from Accenture regarding cancellation, don't just assume that it is cancelled in your college. Just keep preparing for it and keep preparing for other companies also. Not just depend on Accenture, but for different companies also, you should apply and you can prepare for yourself. Okay, this was one type of mail that was received today by students. Next is another type of mail, that is the communication assessment mail that also some students received today only. So here you can see that assessment will be active from Tuesday, December 3rd till December 6th. So Accenture has all sent them the mail that you have your communication assessment from December 3 to December 6th, and this mail has also been received today only. Okay, so the main motive of this video is to, if you have not got any clarity of cancellation from your college or from your Accenture, then don't just sit idle and assume that okay, Accenture hiring is cancelled and I need to focus on other companies. Yes, you need to focus on other companies also, but before the clarity, don't just lose hopes on Accenture. Okay, I hope the motive of this video is clear to you. It's just wanted to make you understand that if you have not got any solid information, so just by seeing any YouTube videos or on the discussing on Telegram, don't just assume that this cancellation will happen in your college also. If the Accenture hiring is ongoing and they are sending you the interview slot mails or communication mails, then keep preparing for them. Okay, don't just sit idle and assume that okay, the hiring is cancelled for us. So I hope now the main motive of this video is clear. If you still have doubts, okay, you can write in the comment section. Till now, 3rd of December, and I'm making this video at around 1:45 p.m. So till now, these are the updates. If I will get some more updates, I will definitely share with you on this YouTube channel also, and also on this Telegram group that I've already already shown you. The link you can find in the description box. Okay. And one more thing, last point of this video. If you are preparing for the Accenture team or Accenture company, and either you have your interviews or your exams, you can check out the notes for in notes in which we have important interview IT subject notes that will be beneficial for your interview. And if you have your exam, you can check out Accenture exam preparation material in which all the sections we have discussed in detail. Okay, previous questions and answers are there in this particular material. Okay, so if you're interested, you can check out, the links are in the description box. But don't create panic if you have not got any solid information from your college. Just keep on preparing for Accenture and other companies also. Focus on other companies also, but don't just lose hope on Accenture if you have not got any vital information. So I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. If I will get more updates, I will definitely make more such videos on this channel.